Hi, I'm here with Stacy Anthony, CEO of Ag Revolution. We have something fairly interesting here called the Farmer Core Initiative, and I could probably partly explain it, but I think Stacy would do a much better job of it. Sounds pretty neat. Stacy?
Yeah, we're standing here at the National Farm Machinery Show talking about introducing Farmer Core. What is Farmer Core? It's revolutionizing that farmer experience, right? So if you ask farmers, like I have done over the past several years, when I ask them what does the next generational relationship look like between farmer and dealer, here's what they say. We want to transact on our farm. We want, if we could have it our way, we'd want you to bring the entire dealership to our farm gate. So what we've done at AgRev is when we started thinking about developing the company, we said, we're not going to try to copy our competition. We're going to try to bring to the market something totally different. So what we've done is we've invested more heavily into mobile service, less dependent upon brick and mortar or physical locations. We believe in physical locations, but we strategically place them through what we call nets or smart network coverage, and we support them with a fleet of mobile service trucks that take everything we do to the farm, meaning parts, sales, and service. It's not that the traditional dealer doesn't have mobile service trucks, it's that the amount of business we do with AgRev is about 85 to 90% of everything we service is done on the farm or in the field. What does that do for the farmer? It eliminates him having to haul large equipment to the dealership. It saves him time and money on freight, and he's actually able to have more transparency because when he walks out of his house in the morning and he sees a mobile fleet truck there working in his shop or in his field, he's able to see and know what's going on. So they like that transparency side of it. We're really excited. The feedback has been great. Farmers like to know that, maybe I don't need brick and mortar every 20 miles anymore. I've got an AgRev guy who lives 5 miles down the road. He can be here in 10 minutes. And we deliver parts to the farm now, we deliver service to the farm, and now we're unleashing a whole tool chest of digital tools that can go to the farm that allows them to order parts online, request service online, and do everything that they used to do in a traditional brick and mortar dealership, they can now do in their own operation at their farm.
Because that's been one of the pain points, I think, over the years. The farmer has a breakdown, he needs something fast, and that's something where Farmer Core really kind of wants to excel at, right?
It does. It adds that speed to solutions. It increases speed and ease and reduces friction. And so that's why it's being so well accepted.
Okay. So we're here, of course, in Louisville, Kentucky at the National Farm Machinery Show. I'm from Canada. Could we expect that same kind of service across the border over there?
Farmer Core is now a global launch product. So AgRev piloted it for about 3 years, and AGCO named and branded that Farmer Core, and they've now released it to all AGCO dealers. So yes, you very well may be seeing that soon in your territory.
Terrific. Well, that sounds very good. Anything else you want to add I didn't ask you about, Stacy?
Well, in addition to what we have here in this truck, we're also showcasing the new displays from Trimble. AGCO made one of the biggest purchases this year, probably the biggest ag tech purchase in the industry with the acquisition of Trimble. And so we are showcasing some of the various functions and technology features. There's a big change going on right now. I think that AGCO used to be a company that chased the technology side and chased the leader, and today we've become that leader. So we're excited to showcase the best in class in technology and precision and planting and all the things that go into the operations today to help a farmer be more sustainable.
Great. Well, thanks very much for your time today, Stacy. Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.
Congrats on the new initiative.
Appreciate it. Good to see you.